guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa. If you guys don't already know me, I am a professional home stager and I also film videos here on YouTube on home decor and style. With that said, if you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to do so. I would love to have you guys a part of my YouTube family. So today's video is a little bit more on the style side. I will be unboxing my Teddy Blake purse that I picked out. So Teddy Blake contacted me and allowed me to pick one of their purses, and I'm so excited because I love their bags. I've been obsessing over them on Instagram for a while now. A lot of YouTubers have them and they also look so high-end and good quality. So when they reached out to me, I was definitely more than excited to go ahead and choose the bag and do an unboxing video and give you guys my first impressions and overall impressions if the bag is worth it or not. So with that said, if you guys want to see how the purse comes, my first impressions, and my overall thoughts on whether it's worth it or not, make sure to keep watching. So I apologize about all the glitter on my table, but for the purpose of this video, I did go ahead and remove the label so that my address wasn't showing. So I know this is probably not the best way to open this. So just be mindful of that. If you guys have a better way to open yours, I probably shouldn't have opened mine that way. So it does come with this to protect, I guess, the bag from bouncing all over. And it also has this, I guess, to protect from any indents of the bag. And then this is how the bag comes here. So let's go ahead and open this. So it does look like they try to maintain the shape of the bag on its way to you. I like that they packaged it with this to hold it upright and keep it from bending. Continue to open. I'm just gonna cut it as best as I can so that I don't cut the handle. They also made sure to wrap it really good so that it doesn't, I guess, get any scratches. So this is the bag right here. It is so cute. It is a little bit darker than what I expected, but let's go ahead and take a look at it more up close in just a second. So far, first impressions on packaging, they did a great job making sure that the bag kept its shape on its way to me. So I really like that. It is a very good quality leather. So this is just their little certification tag. It is a bit more on the taupey side, I will admit. I was expecting something a bit more like light nude or camel color. I did think it was going to be a little lighter. Nevertheless, it is super cute. I don't have a bag in this color and it is perfect for spring. I love the gold hardware here. So this is what it looks like here, and I think it'll be great for spring. I love how structured it is, and they did let me know that it does keep its shape pretty well. That was really one of my concerns as far as which bag to choose, because I wanted to make sure it remained structured, and this bag was a little bit more on the structure side, so that's why I went with it. So it's kind of hard to do this with one hand, so let's go ahead and let me try to do the best that I can with one hand. Sorry guys. So that is that, and that is that. So it does look like this. And then you open it up and this is what it looks like inside. So it does look like it's a pretty decent size. I don't like a bag that's super huge or too small because I'm a mom and I'm always carrying things. So this is what it looks like inside. It does look like it brings a dust bag and then also a strap. So let's go ahead and assemble it together. Also a good tip for you guys, the paper that comes usually with your purses, you guys should keep it so that you can restuff them, like if you're not currently using them, because it helps maintain their shape. I always like to do that. Oh, this bag is actually really nice. It seems like it's made out of silk. This is just what it looks like here. It's super soft. I really like this and I love the color. So then we have the hardware, the little lock, and then we also have the chain strap. So let's go ahead and assemble this. It's very easy to assemble. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this tag here so that I can go ahead and pop the other one on. So that is what it looks like, that. I love it because you can use it on your shoulder, and that is also great. I think this bag would be actually really super cute for date night, which was another reason why I picked it out. So this is how much space is in my purse. So let's go ahead and add the little lock. Let me look at the picture to figure out how this one goes, because I honestly don't remember how they had it styled on the bag. So it does look like the lock goes around the handle up top, and let's see. Oh, okay, I see the little slit now. So I guess this goes like this here. You slide it in through this, and then you slide it in through the little hardware piece right here. And then once you've done that, then you use the open slit to go ahead and slide the rest through. So I did go ahead and insert the little lock and key here. I'm gonna go ahead and just close it now so you guys can see the bag put together, like now that I added this and also the strap here. So pretty much you just go like this, back here, and put it in the loop and just close it up like that. It does appear to be a little bit more brown on camera, but it is a taupe color, you guys, so just be mindful. It kind of has like gray undertone on it. Just be mindful of that if you guys do decide to order this one. In pictures, I think this would look phenomenal and also would be great for a date night. I'm probably gonna go ahead and shoot my spring lookbook featuring this bag because I absolutely love it. And I definitely think that the quality is there. So if you guys are interested in high-end looking bags that are great quality, I definitely recommend them. I love this bag. The leather feels such good quality, and also the threading on the bag itself is super detailed, and you can tell they actually took their time with it. So if you guys love videos like this, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, thank you to Teddy Blake for allowing me to choose the bag. I absolutely love my new bag and I can't wait to style it. If you guys don't already follow me on Instagram, go ahead and do so because I'll probably post pictures there on how I styled this bag. So with that said, if you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to do so. I would love to have you guys a part of my YouTube family, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.